Okay, this old stump is too rotten to hold up my squirrel feeder anymore, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it out. These bolts that are holding the squirrel feeder on keep pulling out because the stump is too rotten. So I am going to level the stump and then see what I'm gonna do next. This wood is pretty rotten. See if I can chop it up some more. Just try to get it below ground. Roots are pretty rotten. The main stump in the middle is still hard. That's enough of that load. That's the second load. Got room in this one. Yeah, let's get the rest of this stump taken down, at least to ground level. Nice and rotten. Some kind of hawk. Both it's not an owl, some kind of hawk. It's starting to show up again. I'll get a better picture sometime. Rained yesterday, so it's kind of spongy now. A little harder on this side. Hawk's still up there. Why watching me laughing at me? Yeah, the hawk is still there. That's rotten. Almost there. Turn that off a little bit so I can see what's there. What's there? Just that core. If I lived out in the country, I'd just burn it. Time for a break. At least it's in the 70s, low 70s. Start up again. I might go film the rest of this. I'll get back to you. I'm back to finish this job. That's it. Okay, I got it down below level with the ground. That's where I'm going to leave it at now. I got this other stump in the front, and when I dig this one up, then I'll order a load of dirt to fill in the hole for this one and one I just did.